Hello there everyone, welcome back to Mickey Travels and welcome back to another magical day. So I'm here at Disneyland because they have now just opened the new show, A Magical Life, Walt Disney, where it's the brand new animatronic show that tells the story of Walt Disney and has the amazing new animatronic of Walt himself. So without further ado guys, come on, let's go check this thing out. So I was expecting to go in and experience the new show, but what I wasn't expecting was this really cool exhibit that they have out in front. As you walk in, they've got all this great artwork and concept art that was all part of making the original Disneyland. They've got videos explaining a bunch. They've got these really old retro pieces that were sold like during Walt's day, and they even have a replication of his apartment that is above the firehouse. And let me tell you guys something, as somebody who has been up there and seen that apartment, it's pretty darn faithful. This is really close to what it looks like up there. It's pretty fantastic. Then as you move further in, closer to the entrance to the actual theater, they have even more. They've got all of these really cool displays with some early animatronics that Walt helped make. They've got a wall just full of awards that Walt won during his lifetime, and it is truly impressive to see it all right there. There's all these pictures of Walt with various people throughout the years and different parts of his life and career that are really fantastic to see. And there's even a video presentation while you wait with Disney historians, people who worked with Walt Disney while he was still alive, that have some amazing stories to tell and so many cool things to learn about Walt and his history before you go in and see the show. Speaking of which, it's my turn to check out the show, so let's see what we got.
They say that Hollywood is a town built on dreams, and one of its greatest dreamers was Walt Disney.
My dad worked as a carpenter in the World's Fair building. He eventually ended up in Chicago as a contractor, and he was doing that when I was born.
So you first get this video presentation that goes throughout Walt's entire life, as told by Walt himself. They took a bunch of different lines from different interviews he's said throughout the years and compiled them together to kind of more or less tell his entire story through his own words, which is really exciting to see. It was really a special thing to see this show finally all put together. And although I kind of wish that there was more of the animatronic and less of the full video, I was glad that we had this to really help set up his entire history, his career, especially for people who may not know it very well. But of course, we have to go check out the animatronic itself, and y'all, it doesn't disappoint.
Of one thing. It was all started by a mouse.
Okay, so when I got out of the show, the cavalcade was going, so I had to come over to Tomorrowland to kind of like get out of the way of everything. Oh, but you guys, this show is so cool. The pre-area was fantastic. It was so cool to like hear the story of Walt from himself, and then also getting to see the animatronic that they made of Walt was just, oh, it was just incredible. When he stepped forward, I was like, dang, Imagineering, how'd you do that? That was amazing.
Oh gosh, it was great to see my old pal Walt again.
Yeah, and the good news is, like right now, because there's so many shows, they're only showing that show and not the Lincoln show right now. Eventually, they will bring Lincoln back. If you guys are worried, Lincoln will still be there. Eventually, they'll start sharing the stage over there, where like Lincoln will play part of the day and then Walt will play the other part of the day. So he will come back. Just right now, since it's brand new, they're gonna be doing mainly Walt right now. But right now, it's actually pretty easy just to walk up and get into the very next show. Every show is pretty full, but you don't have to wait in like a massive 2 or 3 hour line. You just wait 20 minutes for the next show and you're in. And the great news is you can look around at all the museum stuff while you're there. Uh-oh, the cavalcade's coming back. I gotta go find a new spot to film. All right, I found a new spot, and the cavalcade doesn't go this way, so it's gonna stay quiet. Yes, you gotta come check it out. The facial expressions on him are just so cool. It almost feels like he's there. It's incredible what Imagineering was able to do with this. So y'all definitely gotta come check it out. It is absolutely a fantastic show. And if you guys wanna come check it out for yourself, then head on down to the description and you can go get yourself a free quote for a trip with Mickey Travels. Mickey Travels is a diamond earmarked Disney travel agency, and that means that Disney themselves gave them that award saying like, hey, if you're gonna have a Disney travel agency book your trip, you're not gonna get better than Mickey Travels. And that's Disney saying that, not me. Although I don't think they're wrong. So go book your trip through them so you can experience this new Walt Disney attraction for yourself. And that's all I got for you today. So I will see you guys later and have another magical day. Bye!